embark on a journey through the Wheat Chronicles, where the tale of one of the world's oldest cultivated grains unfolds. From its humble origins to its role in shaping civilizations, wheat stands as a foundational pillar in the history of agriculture and human sustenance. Wheat, with its origins in the Fertile Crescent, marked the transition from hunter-gatherer lifestyles to settled agriculture around 10,000 BCE. A versatile grain, wheat became a staple in the diets of ancient civilizations, including the Egyptians, Mesopotamians, and Greeks. The cultivation of wheat played a crucial role in the development of agricultural practices, leading to the rise of early human civilizations and the establishment of permanent settlements. Dive into the diverse world of wheat varieties, where each type brings its unique characteristics to the table. From the classic hard and soft wheats to ancient and heirloom varieties, the golden fields of wheat offer a spectrum of options for culinary exploration. Hard wheat, with its high protein content, is ideal for making bread, while soft wheat varieties find their place in pastries and cakes. Ancient wheat varieties like spelt and emmer, once staples of early agriculture, are experiencing a resurgence due to their distinct flavors and nutritional profiles. Heirloom wheats, often cherished for their heritage and traditional farming methods, contribute to the preservation of biodiversity in wheat cultivation. Step into the expansive wheat fields and witness the symphony of wheat farming, where careful orchestration of planting, growth, and harvest ensures a bountiful yield. From the planting of seeds to the golden waves of ripened wheat, the agricultural process is a harmonious dance with nature. Wheat farming begins with the planting of seeds, typically in the fall, allowing the young plants to establish themselves before winter dormancy. As spring arrives, the green shoots of wheat transform the landscape, reaching maturity as they sway in the breeze, forming iconic golden fields. Harvesting involves cutting the wheat stalks, separating the grain from the chaff, and collecting the precious kernels that will become essential ingredients in various food products. Delve into the nutritional legacy of wheat, a grain that has nourished populations for millennia. From essential nutrients to dietary considerations, wheat's role in providing sustenance goes beyond its status as a dietary staple. Wheat is a rich source of carbohydrates, providing a primary energy source for the body and fueling various metabolic processes. Whole wheat, with its bran and germ intact, offers a spectrum of nutrients, including fiber, vitamins, and minerals, contributing to digestive health and overall well-being. While wheat is a valuable part of a balanced diet, some individuals may have sensitivities or allergies, emphasizing the importance of awareness and dietary choices. Enter the realm of culinary creativity with wheat as the star of the show. From the art of baking to diverse global cuisines, wheat flourishes in the hands of chefs, home cooks, and food enthusiasts alike. Wheat flour, a versatile ingredient, serves as the foundation for a myriad of baked goods, from bread and pastries to pasta and pancakes. Different types of wheat flour, such as all-purpose, bread, and cake flour, cater to specific culinary needs, ensuring the success of various recipes. Global cuisines showcase the diversity of wheat-based dishes, from Italian pasta to Indian chapati, highlighting the adaptability and universality of this cherished grain. Explore the pivotal role wheat has played in the development of human civilizations. As a staple food and a symbol of agricultural prosperity, wheat has contributed to the growth of societies, the establishment of trade routes, and the advancement of cultures. The surplus of wheat production allowed for the growth of urban centers, supporting the rise of civilizations like Mesopotamia and ancient Egypt. Wheat became a currency of trade, fostering economic exchanges and cultural interactions between diverse regions. The symbolism of wheat, often associated with abundance and fertility, transcends its role as a food source, permeating religious and cultural practices across different societies. In the vast landscapes of modern agriculture, wheat takes center stage as a major cereal crop with far-reaching implications for global food security. From technological advancements to sustainable farming practices, the cultivation of wheat has evolved to meet the demands of a growing population. Modern wheat farming employs advanced technologies, including machinery for planting, harvesting, and processing, enhancing efficiency and yield. The Green Revolution, marked by the development of high-yielding wheat varieties, significantly increased global wheat production in the mid-20th century. Sustainable agriculture practices, such as precision farming and crop rotation, aim to address environmental concerns and promote the long-term viability of wheat cultivation. Beyond its agricultural and culinary significance, wheat has woven its way into art, symbolism, and cultural expressions. From ancient mythologies to contemporary art, the imagery of wheat carries both practical and symbolic meanings. In ancient Greek and Roman mythology, Ceres and Demeter, goddesses of grain and agriculture, were revered figures associated with the harvest of wheat. Wheat fields, depicted in numerous paintings and artworks, symbolize abundance, prosperity, and the cycle of life in various cultural contexts. The use of wheat motifs in literature, poetry, and religious ceremonies reflects its enduring symbolism as a representation of sustenance, growth, and the interconnectedness of all living things. While wheat is a vital food source, its cultivation comes with challenges and sustainability considerations. From issues of monoculture to environmental impact, the wheat industry faces questions that require thoughtful solutions for a resilient and sustainable future. Monoculture, the large-scale cultivation of a single wheat variety, poses risks such as soil degradation, increased vulnerability to pests, and loss of genetic diversity. The environmental impact of intensive wheat farming, including water usage, fertilizer runoff, and soil erosion, raises concerns about sustainable agricultural practices. Ongoing efforts to address these challenges include the promotion of agroecological practices, genetic diversity conservation, and the development of sustainable farming methods. As we peer into the future, the horizons of wheat cultivation are marked by ongoing innovations and evolving agricultural practices. From research labs to farm fields, scientists and farmers collaborate to ensure a resilient and productive future for this ancient grain. Innovations in wheat genetics, including the development of drought-resistant and disease-resistant varieties, aim to enhance crop resilience in the face of changing climate patterns. Precision agriculture technologies such as drones and satellite imaging contribute to more efficient and sustainable wheat farming practices. The future of wheat holds the promise of continued advancements, ensuring that this timeless grain remains a cornerstone in the global tapestry of agriculture, nutrition, and cultural heritage. Embark on this exploration of wheat, and may your understanding of this ancient grain deepen, revealing the intricate tapestry that connects wheat to the very fabric of human history, sustenance, and progress.